السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is يعقوب الحداد, um, and today I'll be talking about the rolling process and the metal forming. So it's one of the oldest and most widely used methods for shaping metals. In this presentation, I'll cover the different types of rolling, how it works, and the equipment involved. Basically, we will start with the introduction. Rolling as a process has been around 1400 um, originally used for making sheets of gold and silver. It really took off during the Industrial Revolution when the demand for large-scale metal production grew. Today it's one of the most important processes in the metalworking industry. Now moving to the types of rolling that are based on the workpiece shape. We have the first type, which is flat rolling. It's basically used for making metal sheets thinner, while the shape rolling used to turn square bars into complex shapes like I-beams or U-channels. So you can see in the top picture, this is the flat rolling. Um, it's it's reducing the thickness of the rectangular section. It is more simple compared to the shape rolling, which has more complex process. You can see that you can make different shapes, not just a simple flat shape. You can make I-beams or U-channels and etc. So now moving to the types of rolling that are based on the temperature. We have the hot rolling, which is done at high temperatures. Specifically, it's done above the recrystallization temperature. It's most commonly used for large deformations. And the other type of rolling, cold cold rolling, it's basically done at room temperature or below room temperature. So it's used for for finished products like sheets and the plates. Um, it gives smoother and more precise products. Now I will give a little comparison between both of them. The hot rolling, when this process is done, hot rolling, it gives the a poor surface finish. Unlike the cold rolling, it gives a good surface finish. So this is a little comparison between both of these types of rolling. Now moving to the shape rolling, which we mentioned earlier, but now we will give more details about it. So in shape rolling, the metal isn't just flattened, it's giving a new shape. This is done using rolls that have the reverse shape of the desired part, like I-beams or rails, or U-channels, rods, etc. Now, the ring rolling, as you can see in this picture, it's when a thick ring is compressed and expanded into a larger ring. This is used in things like ball bearings, wheels, and rotating machinery. Machinery. Hot rolling is used for big rings, and the cold rolling is used for small rings. Now moving to the rolling mills. Um, they are the machines that do the work. They are very heavy and expensive equipment. They come in different setups. Um, we have 2 high, we have 3 high, we have 4 high, we have cluster mill, we have tandem mill. Each Each one of them is designed for specific types of rolling processes and outputs. As you can see in this picture, is just giving you a brief look at the some of those equipments that are mentioned in this slide. In the end, I would like to thank you for listening, and or if you are watching, thank you for watching also. I hope this gave you a good understanding of the rolling process and the types of rolling and the different methods involved. So let me know if you have any question or comment or suggestion. Thank you for listening again.